Welcome to this video tutorial on how to create a WhatsApp catalog. In this easy to follow guide, we will walk you through the process step by step. Let's get started. Step 1. Creating a catalog. To begin, open your web browser and visit business.facebook.com/commerce. Once there, select your account and click on Add Catalog. After that, select the e-commerce option and click Next. If you already have an e-commerce platform like Shopify, you can choose it from the options provided. Otherwise, we will show you how to manually upload your catalog. Select the manual upload option, enter a name for your catalog, and click Create. Now your catalog has been successfully created. You can now click on View Catalog to see it. Step 2. Adding items. Since your catalog is empty, let's add some items. Click on the Add Item button. We strongly recommend using the Data Feed option to add your items. Choose Data Feed and click on Next. If you don't have a template, select No and download the template file. Otherwise, choose Yes and click Next. Now, select Use Google Sheet tab and paste your Google Sheet URL here. Your Google Sheet file should be like this template. For any product, you have to add a row and fill the columns as same as the template. After uploading your file, you can set the data update schedule and make any necessary adjustments to the currency data. And click on Save, Feed, and Upload. Wait a moment while your data loads. Step 3. Creating product sets. Great! You can now see that your items have been added. To create sets for your products, go to the Sets menu, click on Create Set, and click Manually Select Items. Then give the set a name and check your target products and click Create to save it. Step 4. Grant access to Upwaw. To setting catalog to WhatsApp, you have to give access to Upwaw. Open the hamburger menu located at the top left corner and go to Business Setting. In the left menu, select Data Source and click on Catalog. Choose your catalog and click Assign Partner. Add Upwaw Business ID and toggle on Manage Catalog and click Next. You can see your assigned partners on Partners tab. Step 5. Connecting your catalog to WhatsApp. Access the hamburger menu again and go to WhatsApp Manager. From the left menu, click on Account Tool and select Catalogs. Choose your target catalog and click Create. Congratulations! Your catalog is now successfully connected to your WhatsApp account.